Unbelievable performance from the lads. The character and the attitude in that dressing room. To go down to 10 men so early, which wasn't a sending off, by the way. To put in a performance like that and go and dominate the game with 10 men and look like the team that wanted to win it was unbelievable. Unbelievable. So proud of the boys. All of the management team have just said then, if we carry on with that attitude throughout the season, we won't go far wrong.
I think we conceded off 2 set pieces. First half wasn't great. We just gave the ball away in silly areas. Second half, before they scored their goal, we had a good ascendancy. We were on top, and I thought we were looking to get back in the game. We wanted to win the game, and then give another set piece in the corner away. So it doesn't matter playing against 10, 9, 8. You can see off corners. You can play against any number.
I think it was a harsh sent off, really, but obviously we showed character. We showed what we're all about, and we just put a group performance. So can't knock it out. And then great result for us as well. So we're going to next week.